In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move incomplete tasks to tomorrow in Asana for free. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your to-do list realistic without losing track of what still needs attention, and you can do it entirely with Asana's built-in features. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. Make sure you're on the official Asana site and signed into the correct workspace for your projects. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. This securely connects your Google profile to Asana. Select the Google account you use for work and complete any prompts until you land in your Asana home view. Once you're in, navigate to the project where your task lives. You can use the left sidebar to find your project quickly. It doesn't matter if you prefer list view or board view, the process is the same. Open the project and locate the task you didn't finish today. If you're scanning a long list, look for the due date column or the small date badge on cards to spot anything marked for today. Click the task to open its details pane on the right. In the task details, find the due date field. There's a calendar icon next to it. You're not marking the task complete, you're simply changing when it's due so your plan stays realistic. Click the due date field to open the date picker. From the calendar, choose your new due date. Most of the time, that's tomorrow. This pushes the task forward without changing its status or wiping out your notes. Asana saves this change automatically, so there's no extra button to press. If your team works across time zones, just confirm that tomorrow reflects your local date to avoid surprises. A few quick tips as you make the change. If the task has subtasks, remember that their due dates don't automatically shift when you change the parent task's date, so plan your workload with that in mind. If the task is part of multiple projects, the new due date will be visible wherever the task appears, keeping everything aligned. And if this is a recurring task, note that changing the date is different from completing it. Moving the due date simply reschedules the current instance. Repeat the same process for any other unfinished tasks you want to push to tomorrow. That's it. Log in, open your project, select the task, adjust the due date, and pick tomorrow. With this habit, you'll keep your Asana calendar clean, your priorities clear, and your day focused on what truly matters.